It's the Wine Country Saturday soundtrack. Fun music and great information. I'm Big Rick Stewart. Yes, I worked at Live 105 in KFOG. And yes, I have gone on top of a roof with a big gallon can of Henry's 209 roof batch in the rain and tried to fix a roof. It did not work. It was a giant hole, and it was just a disaster. Well, anyway, that's a whole different story. This Saturday, we'll have 10 at 10. We'll have the Beatles Brunch at noon. We start at 8 a.m. We go all day. I'll tell you all about all kinds of cool things, including some of the video games being released in 2023. Can you believe they're still making Final Fantasy and Zelda? New versions of those coming out soon. I'll tell you how to brew the strongest, the most caffeine-packed cup of coffee you can. It's actually pretty easy. I'm going to get that headed your way. Plus, info on some record-breaking vinyl sales for 2022. Sony's going to allow you to take photos from space. That's awesome. We'll tell you about the KFOG archives that you're hearing on the Vine, and I'll give you a little inside story on how those are recorded and who's behind all that. Plus, a Jeff Beck memory from a magical night at Canocti when Jeff Beck opened for B.B. King. Wow, it was really fun. I miss that guy. Fun music and great information is what we do every Saturday, the Wine Country Saturday soundtrack at 993thevine.com.